We're making a little bit of different videos. This is an IRL type video, but it's explaining what the frick, dude. It's actually going to be explaining about my new schedule because it has literally changed my life, okay? Literally, even in the first day of doing the schedule, like everything just became so much better, okay? I'm going to tell you why. Let's just go right through my schedule. So I wake up at 8 a.m. after going to sleep at 12 a.m., alright? Get that good 8 hours of sleep that's recommended, okay? For the body, okay? So now I'm awake. It's 8 a.m. and the first thing I gotta do is wake myself up because I'm always like really dead when I wake up. So I go ahead and I try to eat something, make some food, and usually watch like a YouTube video or whatever to like get my brain stimulated or go across social media. So of course, you know, we had to make an awesome fruit smoothie to wake up, alright? We got some strawberry banana with some strawberry banana G Fuel in here, and this is literally incredible. I make strawberry banana smoothies all the time, and literally throwing the G Fuel in there actually makes the flavor so much better. It's so good, it's so good. But, you know, after I've eaten, you know, I mean, usually while I eat, actually, I'll be watching, like, let's say a PewDiePie video, or, you know, I'll be listening to a podcast, something like that, because when I wake up, I'm like so tired. I'm like literally to the point where like my eyes are closed. Like I do not want to do anything, and I need to like wake myself up in the morning because we got to be productive. We got to make moves, okay? Big moves all day, big brain all day. So once I'm actually fully awake and I've eaten and I'm good and ready, the next thing to do is for me to get my workout in. So obviously because of the coronavirus, we can't exactly go to a regular gym. So I've been doing in-home workouts, which has been like really different for me, but I've been doing them, okay? We get the workouts in every day, Monday through Friday. If you want to know somewhat of my workout routine, because I know a lot of people ask me about that, Monday is chest day, Tuesday is shoulders, Wednesday back day, Thursday arms, and then Friday is the best day of all, leg day. Obviously, you know how much we love these legs, okay? After a workout, gotta get that shower in because we don't want to be a stinky gamer. We want to be a good smelling gamer. Isn't that right, my good friends? Literally, open it up, take your towel, alright? Freaking yeet it in there. And then while you're showering, it heats your towel. So, by 10 a.m., I have just done a ton of stuff, okay? Usually, I was used to sleeping like 12 to 13 hours a day, and I would wake up at like 2 p.m., 3 p.m., like some crazy times, because I'd be up late streaming, you know? It's kind of crazy, but now I'm getting a solid 8 hours of sleep. We are going to go ahead and take an Instagram photo and make a TikTok, and then we'll be on to uploading the video of the day. So I'm now outside of my house. Just did a little photo shoot for Sizzle Pop, because, you know, we got that popcorn snacking on deck. We're going to throw that up on the gram, so obviously be sure to drop me a follow on the gram. Be sure to drop a like and comment on my new post because it helps me in the algorithm. Okay, it's time to make a TikTok now. We have just made a TikTok. We incorporated some Sizzle Pop all up in there. Let's watch it. Pretty fire, pretty fire. Alright, quarantine is hard, okay? Quarantine is freaking hard. I want to be with the homies. Yeah, so we've just made our daily TikTok. We're gonna go ahead and start uploading the YouTube video. Ba-bam! The video that I would normally be uploading at this time is actually gonna be this video. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just skipping this part, but just pretend I uploaded the video now, but I still gotta record, you know, all the stuff that's gonna go down in the rest of today, and then we'll upload it, like late upload, but it'll still be daily upload, so it's okay. Anyway, next part of the schedule. So after my YouTube video is uploaded in the day, I have 5 hours of free time literally to do whatever. Maybe I want to make more content, maybe I want to chill, maybe I just want to watch some YouTube videos, whatever. I got 5 hours to do that, and then I'll have dinner. Once dinner is done, I'll go ahead and go live every day at 7 p.m. So having a schedule for Twitch is really helpful because everybody knows exactly when I'm going to be live, and that's also helps my viewership increase a ton because everybody is aware of when I'm going to be live and they can definitely make sure that they can be there, which is awesome. In my schedule it says that I have to stream from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sometimes go more than that. Sometimes I'll do like, you know, till 11 p.m. or maybe until 12, but I try to make it so that I'll go to sleep every day at 12. That way I can wake up at 8 a.m. the next morning with 8 hours of sleep and continue on the cycle. And basically, by doing this, like literally even the first day doing this, like everything changed. Like me able to get a workout in every day, get a ton of content out every day, like YouTube videos, Twitch streams, like dude, it's literally insane. Like how much I've been able to be productive and still have a ton of free time, you know, to chill or just to do whatever I want to do. It's really awesome. I definitely advise making a schedule, okay? If you are struggling right now, I mean, a lot of us don't really know what to do because we're stuck in our house. Really structure your life a little bit better and make sure that you get done what you want to get done every single day. I definitely advise making a schedule and trying your best to stick to it. Hold yourself accountable, okay? It's gonna be hard. If you have enough self-discipline and you have the urge and like the desire to do it, like you can definitely make it happen. You wanna, you know, get stuff done, whether it be working on your business or working on videos or working on whatever it is that, you know, you're passionate about. I definitely think a schedule is perfect because then you'll actually be able to know how much you're putting into this every single day, and you'll be able to put in the same amount of effort every single day, which is awesome. If you guys like this video, be sure to drop a like. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a schedule or if you guys are planning on making a schedule, because this video, I know when I tweeted it out, a lot of people were like, oh, I'm going to make a schedule, and a lot of people were telling me like about their schedule. You know, if you want to tell me about your schedule, I would definitely love to hear it. Drop a sub if you have not already done so, and I will see you guys in the next video. Merc out! Hey, yo, what's poppin'? Merc out!